How's it going, everybody? I'm Devin, and we're back. Got ourselves a 2015 7600 SFA 6x4 with Allison automatic. This is a cement mixer. Woo! Yeah, cement mixer. Dirty one at that. All right, so today sometimes sensors don't work and whatnot, and you can see our support arms for our chute bent. So we went ahead and cut them loose. So what we're going to do is we're going to jack up off the back of the machine here, put two plates down, go with a straight cylinder, and we're going to push it back up and bend it straight. Alright, so one of the things to do, we're going to raise our machine. We got our truck on the machine, we're going to raise it up pretty high, okay? Almost to the bottom. And we're going to come over here. We cleaned off a spot on our frame here already. We're going to take our hook. We're going to put it on here. Like so. Okay. Like that. We're going to rig this up real short. And we're just going to use our clevis here. Slide it back. We're in line. We're gonna hook some clevises on here and tie it in real hard. Basically, no chain or anything. All right. So one of the things I'm gonna try and do here is try and get a little bit better view of some of the stuff that hooks up. I don't do a lot of high speed, but try and do it slow speed this time. As you can see, our concrete truck here has not been cleaned very well. They don't take very good care of these. Bam! Like that. Huh? Come on. There we go. So we're going to connect this up hard. Clevises like this. Of course, I got to get that. That ain't so good. Well. Alright, so we got the right pin there. We will jack this up. How that fits in there. Right? You have to move it over a little bit. That's all she wrote. Okay. Got this side done. Locked in, ready to go. Got the old well, yeah. Keep hitting my head, man. I'm gonna wind up being dumb all my life. Stuff gets moved around over here so much I lose it. Lose my own stuff all the time. Alright, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna get these two short plates and we're gonna put two clevises on the back and then we're gonna stand them up and pin them off. Alright, so what we did was we got the two right here and we got them real close together. The clevis is on. What we're going to do is we're going to put a plate here Put a pusher right here on the center of this with a shim and then push straight up on it. Alright, so on our cement mixer, here we go. Our cylinder, got a 20-ton cylinder right there. We got this little thing right here, screws in the bottom of it. Put a long piece of pipe on. We got heavy wall pipe we put on there. Bam! Now, if I can just find that piece of pipe. It's like finding a needle in a haystack. Alright, it's been a little while. Anyway, this is our heavy wall that we put on there. We got multiple lengths of that stuff, you know, so that way we can push, you know, long distances. Alright, so here's what we got. Got our cylinder, we got a shim here, a shim plate. This one's open in the middle to go over the bolt. Just like that, here we go. Don't do that. Alright, so as you can see, she's up pretty far. It's about right where we need her. We're gonna cut the supports off and put some new ones on there because those are bent. But we're gonna get our chute loose here and move it around and drop the trailing arm here, push her axle and see what she looks like. Make sure she doesn't hit nothing. Alright, so on our cement mixer here, some new pipes cut for our supports. Throw them thing down in here. Put it on right there. Weld her on up. Good to go. If you liked the video, subscribe. Thanks for watching. If you made it this far, subscribe, and that's another episode of Bending with Bending. I'm Bending, and we'll see you later.